Thank you, Christine. Good morning, everyone. I had the privilege to facilitate a group in the last couple of days to discuss about and actually explore the connection between climate change impact and the vulnerable groups, the grassroots community, the impact on the grassroots community. We had a pretty engaged discussion in the last 2 days, and we had also a few social and environmental NGOs with us, which was particularly helpful in the whole discussion. So I think to summarize our discussion, we have 3 thoughts along in this area. The first is we feel that in our discussion, we feel that we don't really have a clear understanding on the additionalities of the climate impact on the grassroots situation. So what is the additional impact of from climate change on the livelihood, on the living environment, on the maybe the sufferings of the grassroots community? So we feel that we haven't got that clear understanding on the impact of it. So we feel that maybe a need or an opportunity for us to explore more through research or through more engagement, like between the social and environmental NGOs and the community, to understand more about this, so that it can point towards like adequate policy support or planning process for us to have a more resilient city. This is one thought. Another areas is we feel that like from the feedback of our NGOs is that actually we feel that the community doesn't really have enough understanding, like in a highly dense city in Hong Kong with like more than 1 million people that are living in like under the poverty line. So what does it mean for them, and how can they enhance their own competence, and how can they be more adaptive to the increasing adverse impact of climate change? So and we also feel that like the social NGO and the environmental NGO, they are very much like into like driving the issues in their own space. But then to speak back to like the earlier on what Christine talked about, the system thinking. So there are opportunity for more collaboration, more cross-sector understanding between the social NGO and the environmental NGO. And there may be opportunities for them to work together in order to help the grassroots community to enhance their well-being, to make them more resilient in facing climate change impact. Thank you.